Hi everyone! In this short video, I'll show you the real results of how my bots have been working by signals on Binance over the last 2 months. These 2 months have been very volatile because there was a very strong correction. I'd even say a speed correction. In just 15 minutes, many coins dropped by 50% or more. And as of today, November 14th, we're also seeing a correction. Bitcoin has already fallen by about 10%, and altcoins are reacting very strongly to this drop as well. Let's move on to the most interesting part. We all know that on October 11, many coins fell by 50% or more. In our example, the DOGE coin dropped by 62%, and on this candle we can see, let me switch to the 1-hour time frame. There was a buy and a sell. At that moment, I was at the computer. I pressed the stop button, the bot locked in take profit on the bounce, and stopped the signal. The situation was very unstable, so I decided to temporarily stop sending signals to users. After that, a day later, I resumed the signals, and from the history, you can see that the price has been fluctuating within about 15%, and the bot has been working perfectly. Today, we again have a correction. The coin has already dropped by 10%, but as we can see, on every bounce you can see, buy, sell, meaning the bot is working great thanks to its averaging. That's for Doge. The picture should look just as nice on SOL. Here we can see that on October 11th, the correction on SOL was not as big, only about 25%. The bot also worked well on that correction, and a day later I resumed the signals on this coin. And the third coin that is currently running is FTT. I don't really recommend trading it because it's very volatile and is under monitoring. It even has the monitoring hashtag. But I really like its volatility, how it behaves, and how it brings a lot of profit. For some reason, on this coin, Binance now shows history only for the last 3 weeks. As we can see, the coin has very big moves of 20%. And by the way, if you look at this correction, this is one of the few coins that recovered back to the price it had before the big correction. It dropped almost 80% and then went up 80%. As of today, we see the coin is down 8%, and in this bot, I have partial order placement enabled, and we can see that the price is already almost reaching those orders. I turned on the display from the 10th of last month up to today. The record holder was Doge, 11% gross. From that, we need to subtract the exchange fee and the bot fee, roughly about 20%. So net, we got about 9%. On FTT, we have 10%, net 8%. And SOL, it's not as volatile, but it's the most trustworthy out of all these coins. The profit there was 6%. The OG coin is currently on pause for me because over the last 2 months, it has done about x5. As of today, from the price of 5, it's now at 15. That's x3. I'm waiting for a correction because I don't see any sense in trading it right now, and I don't want Signal subscribers to risk their funds. I think we need at least a correction down to around 7 to 8, and after that, we'll resume the signals. Thanks everyone for watching. If you need help connecting signal bots for spot trading, write to us in support. I'll help you.